Coming up in Jamaica House Weekly.
Barack Obama, President of the United States of America, will pay a state visit to Jamaica on 9th April 2015.
First ever Special Olympics multipurpose facility opens and ground breaks for construction of $168 million running track at GC Foster College. Last Tuesday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller told Parliament that U.S. President Barack Obama would pay a state visit to the island on April 9. During the visit, the Prime Minister and President Obama are expected to hold bilateral talks on a range of issues. Jamaica will also host discussions between President Obama and CARICOM heads of government on matters of security and trade.
We are confident that the visit will be marked by fruitful dialogue and exchanges that will serve to strengthen the close relations that exist at the bilateral level between Jamaica and the USA and between the USA and CARICOM.
Following the discussions in Jamaica, Mrs. Simpson Miller, her CARICOM counterparts, and the U.S. President will head to Panama City for the 7th Summit of the Americas scheduled for April 10 and 11. The hemispheric meeting will welcome Cuba for the first time. Last week, the minister responsible for information chaired a meeting to update the nation on the ongoing operation to extinguish the fire at the Riverton City disposal site in St. Andrew.
The government recognizes the health effects and the inconvenience that the fire and the smoke have caused to persons, especially in Kingston, Clarendon, St. Catherine, St. Andrew, and these areas. And we are very concerned, and we want to ensure that we get rid of it as quickly as possible.
The new Director General of the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management ODPEM, Major Clive Davis, told the media briefing that the island had passed the worst as operations on the ground was progressing at a steady and satisfactory pace.
The fire is described as contained and is being extinguished as we speak.
Up to midday Monday, the fire was over 90% contained. And the minister responsible for sport, Natalie Nita Headley, had several engagements this past week. On Wednesday, she broke ground for the construction of a $168 million running track at the GC Foster College. The 8-lane IAAF certified running track is to be completed within 4 months. Mrs. Nita Headley expressed hopes that the track, when completed, would not only benefit athletes and coaches, but also the wider community.
We believe that we will embark on seeing how best we can incorporate some training and development for community members, giving them certification here from the school in much shorter courses. And it's important because you don't exist in a vacuum. They are going to be needed to assist you in protecting what you have.
Before that, she officially opened the first ever Special Olympics court at Independence Park Limited. The $8.2 million facility will allow some 4,000 registered special needs athletes to develop skills in volleyball, basketball, and netball.
This opening of this facility here at IPL today is a timely blessing as it comes just in time for the final preparation of our team, which will be going to the 2015 World Summer Games in Los Angeles, where Jamaica is slated to participate in unified football, female football, athletics, badminton, basketball, swimming, boxing, and volleyball.
Mrs. Nita Headley was also in Western Jamaica recently promoting sport on that end of the island. At the Westmoreland Football Association Awards, the minister made a commitment to take advantage of opportunities available for sport tourism in the parish.
With the right investment from the private sector, I know the development of infrastructure for the sport and full government support, there is no limit as to how far Westmoreland football can go.
The minister also pledged to improve sport infrastructure in the parish to include high schools and community play fields. And Mrs. Nita Headley gave some attention to table tennis at the 2015 Jamaica Winter Open Championships in Montego Bay, St. James.
The sport of table tennis is good, clean fun. It's exciting, it's good exercise, and it is something fantastic to watch. I'm liking the fact that it is in Montego Bay because it is adding to the tourism product. I'm congratulating those sponsors who have seen the value of this product.
And that's it for this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. Join us next time for the latest stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.